Hi guys! Welcome back to Sabidong Viral TV, Adobe Photoshop tutorials. Today, I'm gonna teach you on how to use brush tool. Let's grab our brush tool from our toolbar, or press B on your keyboard. And here in the upper corner, we can adjust the size of your brush, or the hardness and the softness of it. Now let's select this one, the circle brush with a soft edges. Just click it, then click and drag. You will notice the softness of your brush. To adjust the softness or hardness, we can increase the hardness of your brush. And as you notice, that your brush has the hard edges. To change the style of your brush, we can go back from here. Then, we can select the brush style that we prefer to use. There's a lot of different style of brushes from here. For more options, we can go to this icon, toggle the brush panel, and then the brush panel will appear from here. Or we can go to Window, and then select brush panel. Window, then select brush panel. Or otherwise, we can press F5 from your keyboard. And from here, we have different options that we can use to make our brushes better. Let's change our brush style. For example, let's select this style. From the bottom part of the brush panel, you can see the preview of the effects that you are adjusting. Minimum diameter, angle jilter, roundness jilter, or minimum roundness. We also have here the control to fade, pen pressure, pen tilt, stylus, or wheel rotation. For example, we want to apply that on our canvas. And as you notice, the brush will scatter from your canvas. Let's undo this step, Ctrl Z. Let's go to color, then let's select the color green. And let's drag and click to our canvas. And as you can see, the blend of the color looks better and great. One last thing that I want to share to you is how to resize your brush using your keyboard. Let's grab our brush tool. From your keyboard, to make your brush bigger, just press the close bracket. And to make your brush smaller, just press the open bracket. And that's all for today. This is Sabidong Viral TV, Adobe Photoshop tutorials. See you on our next video, and thank you for watching.